red hair, big boobs, and I don't know what she's gonna do. Large wings, thick thighs, I don't need another reason why. They all go to chat and I'm not even bragging, 'cause everyone's crazy about a sharp-tongued dragon. Call me mom and some drumming, I ain't missing not a single thing. What the fuck did you say? Text to voice mishaps can be funny anyway. Step out of line and she'll do you in, 'cause everyone's crazy about a sharp-tongued dragon. Pablo wearing top hat, I don't worry, but what's up with that? Zendaya flies up above, looking for simps, looking for love. They come running, you just can't imagine. Everyone's crazy about a sharp-tongued dragon.